Okay, so I have a Samsung RS265 tdrs, and it wasn't getting cold on the refrigerator side. So I've done some research and I found that if I take this panel off, I can get the ice off the fan, which is there on the other side of that panel. And once I took this panel off, this fan here, and by the way, it was so, you know how to let this sit for about 45, maybe an hour to thaw the ice out on the backside enough to be able to pull this panel off, because this panel gets really iced up and you can't get it out. Anyhow, once you get it off, that fan right there is blocked with ice, and it's not allowing you to get the refrigerator cold because it's not spinning the air from the freezer. As you can see that there's ice all over this box here. I'm going to pour some hot water on there and see if I can get that ice off. And then I'm going to put this panel back, and hopefully the refrigerator is going to get cold. This took me about an hour trying to get the screws out, because this screw here had a lot of ice in it. The side closest to the freezer, a lot of ice, so it wasn't allowing me to pull the panel off. But I got the panel off. I thawed all the ice off of the fan. The fan is moving freely. You gotta make sure that fan is moving freely. When it's moving freely, then you can it should work. So I'm gonna thaw that ice out there. I'm gonna put the panel back on, and then hopefully the refrigerator works. But I'm gonna turn the refrigerator on before I put the panel back on, and then hopefully that works. And then there's two little LED clips here that they go for the lights there, and they just slide out.